I grew up in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and this is where born and raised, this is where I got my sponsors, where I got introduced to skateboarding, and then lived there all the way up until like 2022. Yeah, I feel like skating in Albuquerque definitely shaped my, I guess my style for sure. First off, like I had to learn to push to the skate park. We didn't get dropped out for like, if we want to go to the skate park, we got to skate there. So you kind of develop kind of a style, just, you know, cruising the streets, going kind of fast, being able to handle cracks and sidewalk. Now I'm just spoiled in LA. Now it's like always perfect here, like sunny. The skate parks here are updated and very good. Like moving to California was very like, for me, I wanted to change the environment a little bit. I wanted to be around people who did skateboarding as a living and just, you know, like start a whole new like pool, you know, like it's like a bigger ocean out here. So it's like, all right, cool. Like I want to hang out with everybody out here and see what happens, see if my skating goes further. And it definitely has for sure. So I'm super stoked on that. But also like just being around pro skaters was pretty awesome.
Anytime I pull up to the skate park, they're like, oh, that's Mariah's brother. Like, they're just like, everyone's just like kind of in awe for Mariah because like it's super huge. Like, there's not much going on in Albuquerque, and like to see someone like her, you know, rise out of Albuquerque, come to the big leagues, it's inspiring.
But yeah, usually like we try to just like, you know, after we're done skating and stuff, just, you know, have a nice drink and just kind of hang out. And that's pretty much it. And then close out the day and then rinse and repeat.
Yeah, I'm very proud of her. She's turned out to be a good person, a good human being, and she loves her brothers and she loves her parents, and so it's been a great experience with all of us.